On this occasion, we will present you the possibility of our new device called Turbo Vacuum Generator, directly an example of testing vacuum actuators with B turbo compressors. We have two types of vacuum actuators in this operation, one that uses a vacuum of approximately minus 0.3 bar for his work and another that uses a vacuum of approximately minus 0.6 bar for his work. First, we will do the testing of this actuator which uses a low vacuum level of minus 0.3 bar. We approve the pressures, activate the vacuum and start with the settings. As you can see that the resolution of this device is 0.01 while the actuator is already active at the level of 1.15 bar. You can follow his movement through the entire working area, and when we are at the level of minus 0.3 bar, it has crossed his entire working area. At this moment, the complete vacuum actuator is activated and does the valve in. Exhaust branch where the second turbo compressor is engaged work on. We can also test the correction of this actuator in the following way. Activate the pressure again, let it do his job. Now we will turn off the vacuum and turn off the pressure. At this moment, we monitor the correction of this actuator. Since there is no loss of vacuum, they conclude that this actuator is correct. Here, in this case, we are monitoring the operation of the actuator, which requires a vacuum of 0.6 bar to start to activate the device. First, we will return the device to 0 so that the actuator is maximally relaxed and we start slowly with dosing. Here we see how the actuator starts with his work. And as you can see, at 0.6 bar, the actuator did the complete work, or rather he passed the state of approximately 12 millimeters and therefore closed the diving valve. We will also check the correction of this actuator in the following way as in the previous video. Since there is no loss of vacuum, it keeps its position and we can say that this actuator is completely correct.